How to download songs from Suno. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can download songs from Suno. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up suno.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to your library by clicking on this library option from your left hand side at the top left corner. Now from your library section, you have to find a song that you want to download in your device. So on next to that song there you'll find this three dots icon, click on it. And again from this drop down box you have to click on download and then you have to choose the audio. So once you choose audio from there, this song will get downloaded from Suno to your device. So you can find the song in your downloaded folders in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.